Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to add bio on threads. It's very easy, so let's get started. You can do this on both Android and iOS. So the first step to take in doing this is to open your threads app and then head to your threads profile. If you want to head to your threads profile, click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. So once you're writing on your profile, the next thing you have to do guys is to click on the edit profile option on your profile, and you find the option to add bio. So go ahead and click on the bio just like this and start typing your bio. Alright, so guys, this is how you can actually do it. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe for more.